Alright, if you guys want an idea of just how much snow has fallen, check out this sign here. And this will give you an idea of how much snow has fallen since yesterday into this morning. Quite incredible, actually. And I'll put my hand here just for comparison. So because the snow that fell since yesterday is sort of wet, it's sort of getting more colder now, so it's not as wet, the snow. But you'll see here that because the snow's so heavy and wet, it's brought down a lot of branches, which in turn has brought down a lot of power lines. You can kind of see how these are sagging. This here is a perfect example of that, with this branch that has fallen down. So just gives you an idea of what's going on. So this is a construction site here that they're clearing. That's why they're getting all this snow out of here. And now we venture into the downtown core of Montreal, Canada. Beautiful. And it's Monday, December 4th, 2023. It's 9:07 a.m. Eastern Canadian time right now. There's beautiful Mount Royal in the distance. Alright, so that concludes the footage of today's epic snowstorm. It is now Monday, December 4th, 2023, 10:50 p.m. Eastern Canadian time. So thanks for watching, and we'll see what the rest of winter has in store for us. More content to come.